Today, we're walking you through how to reset your password on the eHome Affairs website. Whether your contact details have stayed the same or have changed, we've got you covered step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official eHome Affairs website by typing ehome.dj.gov.za in the address bar. On the home page, look for the Forgot Password or Reset Password button and click it to proceed. If your contact details haven't changed, meaning you're still using the same email and phone number from when you registered, follow these steps. Click the button or link and you will be directed to the next page. Email address and phone number. Don't forget to select the correct country code. Next, you'll receive a reset PIN or OTP on your registered contact details. Use the reset password sent to your email or phone to log in. Enter your ID number, password, and the CAPTCHA code. On this page, you will need to enter the one-time PIN, OTP, sent to your registered phone number via SMS. Now, create a new password. Ensure it includes at least one uppercase letter and one special character and is at least 8 characters long. Confirm your new password and you're all set. If your contact details have changed, here's what to do instead. Start by entering your old email and phone number. Then answer the security question you set during registration. Provide your new cell phone number and confirm it. Make sure it's a number you plan to keep for the long term. You'll receive a reset PIN at your new contact details. Use this PIN to log in with your ID number and CAPTCHA. Click the button or link and you will be directed to the next page. On this page, you will need to enter the one-time PIN, OTP, sent to your registered phone number via SMS. Finally, create a strong new password as described earlier and confirm it to complete the process. Click the button or link and you will be directed to the next page. Once your password has been successfully reset, you'll see a success message. You'll then be redirected to the home page. If you're starting a new application, you'll see the Create New Application button. For those with existing applications, the options may differ.
If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. And as always, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay informed and stay engaged.